Hey, what's up? It's Taylor. Today is a beautiful sunny Sunday, the day after Cinco de Mayo, which is my wedding anniversary. So yesterday I didn't make a video, even though I went to Supercar Saturday. But the other reason why it's a nice day is because of this. So give me a second. You'll notice that my information screen now does not tell me I have a suspension problem. So that got fixed, finally, after 2 years. And the other thing, that's a nice, it's a nice welcome, happy surprise. Well, I mean, it was expected because it was supposed to get fixed, but you'll notice that the car doesn't squeak anymore either. The bolt they replaced, they never really told me what the reason was. They didn't tell me why that bolt had fallen out, but the shop I brought it up to, the dealership, they replaced my bad strut and got the spring all replaced for me, or got the bolt replaced for me, sorry. And I called them Monday afternoon like I said I would. I had jury duty on Tuesday, and I ended up bringing my car up there after jury duty, and they literally had my car for less than 24 hours before it was fixed. So car was fixed, went and picked it up, it poured rain, brought it home, and it works. So that's that. But yesterday I talked to a friend of mine at Supercar Saturday who just had the power steering recall done on his car, and he asked me if I had mine done. I told him, yeah, it was done last year. Why? And he said, well, I saw your video on the squeak, and I'm wondering if it had to do with that, because he was told his car's got an LSA on it, that when they do the recall work, there's a device they use to support the engine while they're doing the work. They lift it up, I think. And they had told him that they couldn't use it on his engine because he's got the supercharger on top. So the secondary way to fix it was to remove the K-member from underneath the car. So he was wondering if that is what had happened, and that's how that bolt came out, as if they were messing around with that somehow. So I'm not sure, they never told me, but I do know for sure now that if it should happen to start squeaking again, I know where to look. And if you've got a similar squeak on your car, you know where to look. The black piece that the control arm connects to. So right now we are headed to a high school car show down the street from my house. It's the second annual. Didn't go to it last year, didn't even know about it, but it's the school district that my daughter's in, so figure I'll support them, maybe get an award, maybe not. I haven't really gone to many car shows in my life where you give out awards, but I've been to maybe 4, and I've only ever won once. And the one that I did win was like a participation trophy, because it was like the top 20 cars besides the winners of the individual classes. And there was probably like 40 cars at the whole event. And there was a lot of classes, so with what remained, there was probably 23 cars, and I was like number 17 out of 20 that won that award. So it's still an award, I'll take it, but hopefully today there's a big turnout at this one, because like I said, it's a beautiful, beautiful spring day. I know we've all been waiting quite long for this, so now that the weather's finally turned and car show season is upon us, so we're gonna cut to that and take a walk around and show you some of the cars at the car show, as long as there's some nice ones there. I don't know what to expect. I do believe that a friend of mine who's got another SS, I think he and his family are going, so we'll check you out when we get there. Alright, so we made it here to the car show, and it took about 10 minutes for me to register because they ran out of sheets for people because they didn't expect the turnout they have. There's probably, I would guess, upwards of like 80 to 100 cars here, and somebody inside said they were only expecting like 60. So, and that was like a high guesstimate. But we're going to take a walk around and take a look at some of the cars here. Alright, so that's all the cars that are here. Quite a bit of variety. Some old cars, some new cars, some cars that aren't really stock, or they're relatively stock, and then some cars that are like totally, completely modified, top to bottom. Now, I think they're going to give out the awards. I don't think I have a shot at winning because, like I said, there's a ton of cars here, and they're going to be doing a rev battle. So let's check out the rev battle, see who's going to win that. I don't know if there's going to be voting for that or what, but I think they're going maybe with a decibel meter, but that blue RX-7 that was back there, it's somebody I know, his name is Bill, and I think he's going to participate in it, and I'm pretty sure his car shoots flames, so hopefully we get to see that. So let's go, we're going to take a walk down here and see if they're going to start announcing the winners yet.
And the winner for the 2000s class goes to...
It's that group.
Sean Johnson in the Scion TC.
So I got beat by Scion, and I'm pretty sure it's because he's part of the group that had like 25 people here, and they probably all voted for each other. So a little lopsided, a little unfair, but that's how it rolled out.
Whenever you're ready, sir. That's loud, man. Here we go. We have this 1996 Jeep Cherokee Country.
Oh, this one's fun.
On 35, Lincoln.
My bad.
That's all right.
Up next we have the Silver Scion GTO. Whenever you're ready,
back home from the car show now. It's still a beautiful day out, so it's a little disappointing didn't win, but there was a big group there that was all together that had all sorts of cars that were in all the different classes, and they basically all voted for each other, so it was kind of, the cards were stacked against me, so I didn't get to win. But the Rev Battle, I didn't participate in, as you saw, but because my car's not that loud. And Bill, with his RX-7, he did win because that thing sounds like it's like gunshots. It's so loud when it pops. So, you know, it's good for him to win and beat out all those other guys that thought they'd had the loudest car, but his little rotary Mazda beat them all out, so that was good. But also got this nice shirt because the proceeds of this went to go benefit the Lurie Children's Hospital, so always want to support nice things like that. And yeah, hopefully we'll get some other car shows, get some other things going this year because, like I said, the weather finally turned and it's finally nice out, cars fixed, and on to another fun summer. So if you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave some comments below, and we'll check you on the next one.